Hi friends, are you ready to be mathematicians again? Today we are going to continue working on comparing teen numbers, but we're going to use a new strategy. Today we're going to use the number line strategy. Before we get started, I want us to review our vocabulary words. We have the word greater than. Can you put your arms nice and wide and say greater than means more or larger? And then we have less than. So we put our hands close together and we say less than. Less than means smaller, means a little bit. And then we have equal to. We put one hand on top of the other to make an equal sign and we say equal means the same. Say it with me. Equal means the same. So we're going to make sure that we're using those vocabulary words while we are comparing teen numbers using our number line. So our learning target is to compare teen numbers using a number line to determine if the numbers are greater than, less than, or equal to. So here's our number line. First, we have to read our question and find out what is it asking. Which numbers are less than 16? So we see our green dot is on the number 16 on our number line. So anything over here to the left are my numbers that are less. These numbers on my number line are smaller. But if I go this way, my numbers start getting greater. They start getting larger. So we have to see, we have the numbers 13, 19, and 15. So let's find those numbers on our number line. We see the number 13 over here. That is less than 16. It's to the left. And we see our 19. Ooh, that's moving the other way. That one's greater, so it can't be that one. And we see our 15. Where's that on our number line? There it is. And that one is also less. It's to the left. So our 13 and our 15 are less than 16. So if we were to say it together, we would say 13 and 15 are less than 16. So what other numbers are less than 16? As a challenge, can you think of a number that's less than 16? Excellent. I like how you're shouting out. You might have said 11 or 14. Any numbers that are on this side of my number line. All right, let's see our next practice. This one says which numbers are greater than 14. So first we have to find our 14 on our number line. And now any numbers that are greater are going to be the numbers that are on the right, the ones that get bigger, the numbers that get larger. And anything on this side, those are less. Very good. So let's find the number 20. Oh, there it is. Is my number 20 to the right? Is it greater? Or is it smaller? Less than? Right, it is greater than. So that's one number. How about the number 16? There's my number 16. And that's also to the right. It's also greater than 16. My numbers are getting larger when I jump this way. How about 12? Oh, 12 is over here on my number line. It is less than. It's to the left. So my numbers 20 and 16 are greater than 14. So let's say that together in our sentence. 20 and 16 are greater than 14. Now, as a challenge, can you think what other numbers are greater than 14? Shout them out. Right, if you said anything on this side of our number line, you would have been right. You could have said 15 or 20. Great job. Here's our next practice. Which numbers are less than 19? So this is less than smaller. So first we have to find our special number 19 on our number line. There it is with our green dot. And now we have to see which numbers are they asking us. They're looking at number 20. So let's find 20. Oh, 20 looks to me like it's going the wrong way. That one is greater. It's more. So that one's not right. How about number 12? Let's find 12. Oh, there's 12 on my number line. Is that one less? Yes, that one is less. It's to the left of the number 19. It is less. And how about the number 17? Let's find that one. Oh, the number 17, here's our 19, it is also less. It's to the left. So we would say 12 and 17 are less than 19. Say it with me. 12 and 17 are less than 19. Now, as a challenge, what other numbers are less than 19? You could have said 18 or 16, any numbers that are on this side of our number line. Great job. Ooh, this one's a little more tricky. This time it says which numbers are equal to 20. So let's remember what equal means. Equal means the same. So So the number 17, is that equal to 20? There's my green dot, 20. Is that the same number? No, that's less than. How about my number 20? Let's find it on my number line. Oh, that's where my green dot is. Is that the same? Is that equal to? I think so. Let's check the other one. 18. Is that here? Is that the same as 20? No, that one's also less than. So which number? We could say 20. 20 is equal to 20. Say that by yourself. Now, can you think of any other numbers that are equal? Only the number 20 is equal to the number 20. That's kind of tricky. But we could say the number 17 is equal to the number 17. Very good, because they are the same. Which numbers are greater than 17? So first we have to find our number 17. There it is with our green dot. And now let's look at our number options. We have the number 20. That looks to be, that's greater. It's to the right. It's getting bigger. How about 18? There's my number 18 on the number line. You're right. It is greater. It's moving larger, moving to the right. And how about 19? There's my number 19. Again, it is larger. So this time, all three of our numbers, 20, 18, and 19, are greater than 17. Say that with me. 20, 18, and 19 are greater than 17. What other numbers are greater than 17? There's no other numbers on our number line here that are greater than 17, but if we kept going with our number line, we could say 21, 22, all those numbers, even number 100, that would be greater than 17. Which numbers are equal to 11? So first we have to find 11 on our number line. There it is with my green dot. Now let's see our choices. 12. Is 12 equal to 11? No, it's not the same. It's greater. How about 15? Let me find that. There's my number 15 on my number line. Is that equal to the same as 11? No, it's greater than also. And the last option is number 11. Is 11 equal to 11? Yes, you are right. They are the same. So we say 11 is equal to 11. Say that by yourself. Great job. Can you think of other numbers that are equal? So there's not another number that's equal to 11, but how about 15? What number is equal to 15? 15. Very good. 15 would be equal to 15. All right. Let's see which numbers are less than 13. So this time our special number is the number 13. And remember, the numbers that are less than are the numbers that are on this side to the left, the ones that get smaller. And these numbers are what? Greater. So we don't want to look at these numbers today. Right now, for this practice, we want to look at the ones that are less than over here. So the number 14. Oh, is that on the right side? So that's going more. It's going greater. So not 14. How about 12? 12 is less than. It jumps the other way, the left side. So it is less than. And how about 11? Let's see. We'll find 11. There's 11. That one also jumps less than. So 12 and 11. 12 and 11 are less than 13. Say that with me. 12 and 11 are less than 13. I like to see you using your math words. What other numbers are less than 13? We don't see any on our number line here, but how about if we went beyond? What comes before 11? 10 or 9 or 8. All of those numbers are less than 13. Great job. Which numbers are greater than 18? So first we have to find my 18. There's 18 on my number line. That's my special number for this practice problem. And we're looking to see which ones are greater, which ones are more. So I'm going to be looking at the numbers on this side of my number line, the numbers that get bigger, okay? Those are greater. So let's see our options. 13. Let me find 13 on our number line. Boop, there it is. Is 13 on the right side? Is it getting larger, greater? No, you're right. It's less than. So that's not the right one. How about 19? Let me see. Oh, there's 19. It's moving greater. So 19 is greater than 18. And how about the number 20 there? Let's find 20. There's my number 20. 20 is also greater. So we would say 19 and 20 are greater than 18. Can you say that by yourself? Excellent job, boys and girls. What other numbers are greater than 18? This is a challenge because I only see 19 and 20 here. So shout out, what number would be still greater? Right, maybe you said 21 or 22 or anything that would come on this side of after number 20 of our number line. Great job. Here's our question for this one. Which numbers are greater than 12? So first we have to start by finding our number 12. Whoop, there's our number 12 with our green dot. And now we have to see which numbers. So anything on this side, anything to the right is greater. And anything over here is less than. So we don't want those ones. So 16, let's find 16. There's my 16. Is it greater than? Yes, it is. It's getting larger. It's greater than. How about number 11? Let's find 11. There's 11. Uh-oh, when I jump that way, is it getting greater? Is my numbers getting larger? No, it's less than. So not that one. I'm not looking for that one. And how about 13? Let's see. There's my number 13. Did you find it? Is that one greater? Yes. So 16 and 13 are greater than 12. You say it. 16 and 13 are greater than 12. What other numbers are greater than 12? Good. If you shouted out a number on this side of the number line, you are correct. Maybe you said 15 or 17 or 18, 19 or 20. All of those numbers are greater. All right, here's our next practice. Which numbers are less than 15? So we find our special number 15. There it is. And anything we're looking for less than, so that tells me we're looking for numbers that are smaller or little bit. So that means we're looking for ones that are on this side of our number line, okay? So number 12, let's find it. Boop, there it is. Is that less than 15? Yes, I have to jump to the left. It is less than. Good. Okay, how about number 13? Let's find 13. Boop, there it is on my number line. Is that one jumping less? Yes, you're right. And how about number 11? Let me find it. Oh, there it is. Did you find it? Is that jumping less? My number is getting smaller? Yes, it sure is. So all of those numbers, 12, 13, and 11 are less than 15. Say it with me. 12, 13, and 11 are less than 15. What other numbers are less than 15? Yes, you're right. Maybe you said 14. We can see that 14, it's still less than, and also anything over here that comes before number 11. Great job, boys and girls, comparing numbers using a number. Great mathematicians.